Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Rasheedah here in case you're new to my channel. So guys, in today's video I'm here to show you the easiest plants you can start with in case you want to join this journey of motherhood or fatherhood of plants. Guys, in this video I'm showing you the plants I have at home. I've just started my plant journey a few months ago, and guys, trust me, these plants haven't given me any issue. So in case you want to join the journey of planting plants at your home, guys, I recommend you to start with these easy plants. So guys, enjoy the video.
Everything's alright. Close your eyes, let the world fade. Feel the rhythm of a soothing serenade. Soft ocean waves, melodies so light, drifting us away. Everything's alright. Close your eyes, let the world fade. Feel the rhythm of a soothing